Breslin with the Pottstown Police Department. There's a new law in Pennsylvania for any child under the age of 2 needs to be in a rear-facing child seat. Now put the child seat in just like this. You want to line it up so the level is to the ground, rear-facing. Rear-facing is safer. It's actually 5 times less likely a child will be severely injured or killed in a rear-facing seat. Like I said, the goal is or may exceed the maximum height and weight of the actual manufactured seat, then you can no longer do it. Put the seat on, we'll make it tight. You want less than 1 inch of wiggle room. And it's as easy as that.